Here's the curtain rod I had to fix. Over on that side, it seemed it was loose, it was hanging down, so I ended up getting an extra bracket to support the center of it. So now, let's see, it should be more even, yeah. Then I'll hang the curtains up later after I figure out what I'm doing here and here. It's just too much, you all. Some people can relax, leave the stuff alone, but not me. Good old me just likes to make changes all the time. You know, I've been here for what, 19 months. And I cannot begin to count the amount of changes that I've done in this house. Even my DIY backsplash that I did. All these handles, which if you've seen any of my previous videos, you know that I changed all that, sprayed all these black. Changed out my faucets to black. Black and white. I have this obsession with black and white in my home decor. This door was a white door. And it was a flat panel door, and of course I put molding on it. I kind of regret that I didn't take my impatient self time and just miter these corners. And I mean, it looks nice. It looks a whole lot better than it used to, that's for sure. It added something to this door. And I was trying to do that to the doors in the bedrooms, in the bathroom. But I didn't like it, so I just don't like the flat door. And I don't have the coin. And even if I did, I don't think I would want to spend the money to change all that. Just enhance what you have. And I generally decorate with things that I already have. I just, you know, change stuff around. That's all. You can tell I'm tired. I'm out of breath now. Okay, see you in a bit. I decided I'm going to take my bar card outside and spray paint it black. This is my vittsjo over here to the right. It was black originally, then I sprayed it gold, then I sprayed it back black. I had it in the living room and I decided to bring it back in here. So now my bar card needs to match it. So I'm going to take that out, of course, and I'm going to spray to match it. I'm sure this Omar shelf I have from IKEA with all my pots and accessories on, I'll eventually probably spray that black too. I started by removing these items from the bar cart, and I have to wash them. I've already done some of it, and it's on the black vittsjo, as you can see here. Once I remove these, it's going outside, and I'm going to spray. I'm prepping my bar cart, wiping it down. I took the legs off, and I'm going to take it outside and spray it matte black so it can match the vittsjo cabinet on the other side of the wall. So farewell to the gold. Now I'm thinking maybe I should spray a primer on it first, but then I think the paint that I got is paint and primer because I don't want it peeling. Okay.